Hey y'all, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Danielle. If this is your very first time here, and today we're going to be doing a sew-in for the first time in probably 15 years for me. I have not had a sew-in so long, so we're going to be trying this out together. I watched some videos to try to get like a feel for the braiding pattern that I should be using. So first I'm going to go ahead and section out my leave out. I want a seamless, like really versatile sew-in. I want to be able to put it up in a ponytail, so I'm going to leave out all around my head. And I'm gonna do a good chunk right here in the middle. I think I'm going for a side part and not a middle part. So I'm going to section out about this much hair in the middle. I'm making the part super deep on top because I want to make sure it can not only cover the leave out not only covers the tracks that I'm gonna put on the side, but that it'll also cover the track in the back. Now for my leave out on the sides, I'm gonna do like 2 inches of leave out. I'm gonna be able to cover up those tracks. Okay, so now we're gonna start working on the base. Since we got our leave out sectioned, I'm gonna make my cornrows kind of small because I want mine to lay super flat. Not too worried about how the parts look, like it ain't that deep for me personally. I'm not going to cornrow my hair too tight. I don't want it to pull on my actual hair. I don't want it to be hard to get like under the cornrows. Decide if I should make it smaller or if this is good. I think I'm gonna try this for the first time, and then if I want them smaller next time, then I know in a couple weeks when I wash my hair, I'll just redo it. Put a bobby pin on this real quick. All right, now we're gonna work on the next cornrow. So while I'm doing this cornrow, I'm going to bring this part up into, oh, it's kind of long. I'm trying to bring it up. I'm making this one smaller because all right, I'm gonna have to make this cornrow smaller. It's too big. Okay, so now that I got this in, this is starting to get thick, so I'm gonna try a different technique and move it back just a little bit because I want it to be flat. And if I do one right up on this again, it ain't gonna be flat. So I'm gonna make the section a little bit bigger this time so I can move it back and put some space between these braids. And I'm going to cornrow toward the back of the section. So and then we're gonna move this into it like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep working around my head, making sure that I'm feeling it, making sure that it's flat. My main concern is that it's flat. I don't care about what the braids look like underneath. I just want it to be flat. So as long as I accomplish that, I consider this to be a success. So I'm just gonna keep going, get all the braids done, and then I'll show y'all what it looks like when it's done. So I just realized there's a fatal flaw in my technique. I forgot to do an anchor braid. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna take a super duper small piece out of this. That's crazy. I can't really afford to take much. Can I get away with it without it? That's the question. Does it have to be there? I only need it for this part. I don't need it where the leave out is, so I only need it here and here. And then here's what my lead out looks like now after removing it. Child. Okay. So I'm actually, okay. I'm gonna do a little tiny braid right here. And then I'm gonna do another little tiny braid right here. And then I'm gonna put them into the braid I'm working on right now. Okay, I got my hair fully braided down. I have one little section left. I'm gonna tuck it under here like this and then sew it down. And this part is bulging a little bit, so I'm gonna sew that too, just to flatten it a little bit. And then we'll go ahead and start sewing in the hair. So speaking of the hair, I got some 16-inch raw Indian hair. I chose Body Wave. I ordered this off Amazon. Here's my thread. I chose brown thread because I want to be able to see it when I'm cutting my hair out. The color match is really good, so I think we're good there. Do the first stitch, and then I'm gonna put the needle through this so that it can't come through my hair. Like I'm reinforcing the knot, basically. And exactly what I thought wouldn't happen did happen. So how do I reinforce the knot? Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. I did it twice.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know I want.
Okay, now that we got our base done, time to work on installing the hair. So to avoid cutting the tracks, I'm going to start sewing it in. Okay, so I feel like I'm about to fight for my life to get this in here, at least in the beginning, because I have not done this in so long. This is a little bit of a struggle for me, not gonna lie. Girl, I done did 2 rows of sewing and I still got all this left. I'm starting to think, is 1 pack enough? Like, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do more than 1 pack. There's so much, I don't know. It's gonna take me forever. I'm gonna have to start doubling up the dang tracks or something, because it just seems like I'm not gonna have enough head left to sew all this in. But anyway, so once I sew it, once I get the thread in, oh my gosh, it's so long right now. I do a little twist on the thing. You can see it on my face. And then I pull that through. I might have made this one too long. It's not cooperating. So I'm just gonna keep sewing. All right, I am probably not even halfway done. But I am still going. It's really flat up here. The back, not as much. I'm just watching Dream Girls while I do this, and I'll be back.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time? second chances, empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees. The stars align, follow your passion trail, and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as a loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo.
Alright, y'all. My hair's done. I'm about to just tie it down to try to keep the flyaways from taking over, but overall I'm really happy with the way that it's turned out. I ended up only using 2 out of the 3 packs of hair, and this is like more than enough hair, honestly. This hair is thick, so yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. I know this wasn't like the most informational video, but there's a ton of like really good, you know, step-by-step tutorials. This is more like normal girl, if I can do it, you can do it. So yeah, I just wanted to share my little new hairstyle. Again, if you want a super in-depth tutorial, if you want it to be perfect, this is not perfect. I feel like it's a little bulky in the back. Like, hold on. No, it's not. It's definitely bulky in the back. So I'll really only do half up, half down, or a ponytail like this. I probably won't wear like a full bun on top of my head because I don't even know what it looked like back there. Hold on. Oh, that ain't bad. That ain't bad, y'all. Okay. It don't look that bad. So maybe I could. Like if I go to the gym, put a bun up there or something. But anyway, this is how it turned out. I think it's super cute. And similar to what my real hair looks like when it's longer. So I like that it's not, you know, too long, too crazy, too thick. I really like this. So that is it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.